We are currently in the mountains of Chifuwe. Today is Sabbath of the Lord. Thank you very much to all you brothers and sisters for your prayers and support. Finally, we are at the youth camp meeting. We are enjoying the nature, God's creative power. Thank you, all God's people. We have just finished hearing from the service conducted by Pastor Mzea. Now on the way at the campsite where people are sleeping. This is your brother Kandala Kefas currently reporting on this video. Thank you. God bless. We are currently here trying to examine ourselves, trying to reflect into our lives because of our backslide. Thank you. God bless.